Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Foodie. Since 18th March, the lockdown begins in Malaysia. The reason this to happen is because of COVID-19, which is a disease that are killing thousands of people around the world. In Malaysia, there are 1,624 cases and 15 deaths. So schools were closed. I was bored at home. The teachers were giving homework online. Since I was bored, I played video games and do my homework. My dad told me that playing video games a lot is dangerous. I know that is right. Playing video games too much gives me a headache. So, me and my brother planned to cook something. We decided to bake a chocolate cake. We learned it while making the video. You may watch the video as well. The cake came out very good. Our mother taught us. Lastly, I just want to say, every kid, especially my friends, must do constructive work as well as help their parents so they are fit and healthy. One of the most important things that I want to tell you is to keep calm and stay at home. For others and your family as well as for yourself. Do pray more because your health and life is most important than anything. Thanks for watching. Goodbye from Food Eve.